In episode 34, we measured the area of a field in which area survey lines couldn't be run because of standing crop. We constructed one external triangle to measure the area and one for checking the accuracy of the survey and calculations. In that case, vacant area was available in which lines could be run and external triangles could be constructed. Today, I consider a case where no vacant area is available and a part of the area of the field has obstructions. In other words, survey lines can't be run in a part of the field, in a part of the area of the field. Let A, B, C, D be a field. Standing crop obstructs ranging as well as chaining of the diagonals AC and BD. We fix E on BC such that ranging and chaining of DE are not obstructed and such that BE is as short as possible. We measure AB, BC, CD, DA, DE and CE. We know DE, DC and CE. Applying cosine rule, calculate angle DCE. Angle DCE. Clearly, angle DCE is equal to angle DCB. DCE and DCB is one and the same. We therefore know DCCB and include angle DCB. DCCB and include angle DCB we know. Applying cosine rule, apply cosine rule and calculate DB. So now we know all the sides and one diagonal of the field A, B, C, D. So area of the field A, B, C, D can now be measured. Now we must check the accuracy of our work. We fix a point F on AD. We measure the area of the field again basing on CF. Both the areas must be equal reasonably approximately.